Namaste India. Welcome back to the newest clip of SR Clips. I'm your host SRKJR and alongside Rakishet. So let's begin this. So after a long time I found out a new app. It's an application but you will be never aware about it. So let's go for it. So this is the Radio Garden app. You can see it has got 4.6 stars and 5 million plus download, and it can be used by everyone. Everyone. I'm serious. Yeah. Let's go for it. Let's check out the app already. Yeah. You can see the description also. Gentlemen, let's press the button. Yeah, we have pressed the button and we will be going around the world. See, you can see it is Doha, Qatar's radio. It is the Malayalam FM 98.6. Let's explore it. Let's go to our location. We are living in Mangaluru. See, you can see the green dots. You can see the green dots. These are the radio stations around the globe. This is the Karachi. We are going around the world. Abu Dhabi, Doha, Qatar. Let's listen the anything. If you want to search anything Mirchi, I don't know if it will appear or not. Yep, we got it. See. Wow! We got radio mixing. So, it's splendid. Wow! You can explore the region also. If you want to see the Delhi, you just have to zoom in. You can explore it. You can see the roads. See, you can listen every type of radio, every corner. If there is a signal, you can listen to that also. So that's it. You can explore the country also in this app. You can see the map. Everything is good in this app. If you like this video, hit the like button, comment and share and subscribe to the channel. Oh yeah, have a yum day.